Ammo, you have to place it right here, then let go. That's how that's how you place in ammo.
I did that. Actually, hey! Actually, no. I need to wait that. I had it in the monster. No.
I have a bunch of blocks to get over to the other side without even slipping in the lava.
Wait for me!
Owie! Owie! You're rude! You're rude! I'm running. Yeah!
I got a gun, baby! Me.
I lost my gun! I lost my gun! Where's my gun? Oh,
Where I can play?
Yes,
I can turn
finally. I thought I accidentally dropped it into the lava, but I actually don't have that much blocks to get over to. There's some blocks to earn more blocks.
Very long.
I have to earn up the right blocks. Ow! Sorry, watch out!
Nice.
I'm asking, watch out! You're playing with it.
I pulled my other
Watch
shirt.
out for him! Somebody, hit
Oh,
that.
bro, can I have that Uzi?
No!
Aw, man. All right. You don't have one. I have one. All right, can I have it? Yeah. Over here.
I'm gonna trap you.
Man. I love letting my ears.
Ow! Stop it! Stop it!
You said I can have it.
Yeah, isn't that funny, huh?
I can mine this house.
Huh?
Finally mining a
Ben.
house.
I am Zeus.
I need a bunch
Okay,
of
okay.
blocks.
You ready to die? Do you do anything?